Hey guys, welcome to another video. I have here in front of you a massive 2 foot by 4 foot canvas that I've already put my white down on to save us some time. I mixed up a ton of Utrecht, get this at Blick, with Floetrol and water. I will put the measurements down below for each color, but I just want to show you the brands I'm using quick, and then we're just going to hop right into it because I am outside. This is Azul, Antraquinona, forget it. It's blue. We have gold. Artminds, Mysterious, Dioxazine Purple. It's very hard for me to see out here, guys, so if I'm missing the camera, I do apologize. And Turquoise. They are all mixed, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. And as I said, the canvas already has the white on it. And I'm going to try to not kill myself here. I apologize for the noises, guys. Turn down your volume now and just watch me create this massive, we're going to do Dutch pour style, okay? So here we go. This is the Dioxazine Purple. So I'm going to do very thin lines going down the center. Whoop, maybe not so thin there, or there. Geez, Tammy. All right, so that's the purple. Next up is our quinoa blue. I can't pronounce these things. Please, don't shoot me. So you may be wondering how I'm going to let this dry, and the answer to that is I am going to leave it outside covered in a huge cardboard box until the morning. I see something in the paint there. So next up is the Mysterious by Artminds. Kind of like blobbing out. Let's try that again. Start off of the canvas maybe. Okay. Gold. Hard to bend over and do this. I should be down on my knees, but I don't know if I'll get back up. This here is the Turquoise. Sounds like somebody is, of course, chopping up their ground next door. It's quiet all day. I come out here, I see my neighbor getting his lawnmower ready, and now that. Awesome. All right, and here's the Magenta. All right. Now we're going to put white on both sides of it. Hopefully I have enough. Right. it up. And blow dryer time. First, we're going to push the light towards me and then up towards you. A little too fast. All right. All right, guys, I am not touching it. I am going to take you in for a close-up. And as for the little splatters here, I'm just going to use a clean knife once I get it to remove those. Get those all out of there, clean it up around the edge. And there you have it. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys close up, but we have to do this fast so that I can get it covered up before something falls on it, like me. All right, let's see here. Bear with me a second so I could get you guys out of the, actually maybe I'll use the tripod. Hold on. All right. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to resin this baby, let me tell you. So I'm going to have to torch it and clean up those edges, but I'm not going to bore you with that. Look at that one. Ooh, this thing is huge. Absolutely huge. All right, guys, I have to go. Got to cover it up, clean it up and cover it up. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And as always, my friends, happy pouring.